We spend so much time and energy in trying to keep our skin and hair healthy and beautiful, but we end up using all kinds of artificial and chemically laden products in the process, which removes that glow from within. Hi, I'm Sunneet. I'm an entrepreneur in natural beauty and wellness space. I'm a co-founder of a company called Wellcure. In the last 5 years, I've taught over 2,000 students to enrich their lives with better skincare and hair care. And I'm on a mission to go natural and make all homes chemical-free. Join me for a 2-day beauty workshop in Delhi, where we'll be teaching you how to bring back the glow on your skin and healthy hair back from within. This will be made possible with the use of edible, plant-based, food-grade ingredients right out of your homes. We will teach you how to combat issues such as acne, allergies, dandruff, graying, and much more. In this live workshop, we will also be doing a practical demonstration of 20 recipes. These will be pertaining to the modules of skincare, hair care, body care, and entrepreneurship modules. And these recipes, you will be able to customize them for different types of skin and hair. So in terms of permutations, there are 5 types of skins and 5 types of hair. You'll be able to make 100 recipes out of the 20 recipes which we'll be giving in the ebook. On day 2 in the entrepreneurship module, we'll be teaching you how to start your own personal care business, which will be in the space of skincare, hair care, body care. We'll be teaching you products like soaps, shampoos, hair oils, and much more. We'll be hand-holding you through this process. We'll be teaching you all about vendor lists, certifications, licenses, investment required, equipment required, and much more. So join us and register on the link below and help us transform your skin and hair from within for a lifetime.